Today I'm going to be giving a little tour of our cargo trailer camper conversion. It's a 2022 Continental Cargo V-Series trailer. It's a 6x12 single axle with a rear ramp door. We purchased it at Countryside Trailer Sales in Spring, Texas. We put up a rear wall with windows and left some space for storage between the drop-down rear door and the wall. We decided to go with bunk bed style sleeping. We used 2x4s and plywood for the framing and purchased the mattresses on Amazon. We insulated the ceiling, ran LED puck lights, and used panel for the ceiling finish. We used the space underneath the bunk beds for storage. We decided to use the front part of the trailer for the bathroom and the kitchen. The kitchen counter also doubles as an eating area. We installed a 24x24 shower pan. We have a portable pull flush toilet. We used shower panel walls for the bathroom. For the faucets, we are using rechargeable water pump dispensers for the kitchen and the bathroom sinks. Right now we have a Robson refrigerator. It's on a pull-out slide. For air conditioning, we're running an AccuZone MaxiCool unit. It easily freezes this camper out. We also have a 7-gallon freshwater tank. We purchased a Brino peephole camera from Amazon and installed it. It has a motion sensor and recording capabilities. We installed a carbon monoxide and smoke detector for safety. Both bunks have plugs and USB ports. Originally, we installed one rear window, but have since installed another one for the lower bunk to have a view also. These are a couple photos of how we use the rear drop-down door as a patio. Thanks so much for watching this video. It's really been a fun project to work on it, and we're always looking for upgrades and new ideas to make it better. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, please hit the like button and subscribe for future videos.